Represented by Sonia Sampson, broker at Royal LePage Connect Realty. Welcome to 116 Mackey Drive, a beautiful 3+1 bedroom bungaloft with 4 washrooms, nestled within the upscale Queens Common neighbourhood of West Whitby's desirable Lynde Creek community. Exuding exceptional curb appeal, this rarely offered Brookfield Homes Monet model showcases many recent upgrades, a stunning interior layout that is ideal for entertaining, plus a backyard retreat offering privacy and tranquility. Freshly painted throughout with a neutral decor, beyond the double-door entrance is an open-concept main level showcasing hardwood flooring, 9-foot ceilings, upgraded light fixtures, and pot lighting, with abundant natural lighting permeating the principal rooms. Half walls with decor columns grace the entry into the formal living room, which has 3 east-facing arched windows with California shutters and the added elegance of upgraded crown moldings, which are also seen in the reception area along the main hallway and in the formal dining room. Off the reception area is a powder room with a pedestal sink, a mirrored door coat closet, and a laundry room with an LG washer and dryer, storage cabinets, and access to the attached double-car garage. And off the main hall is the formal dining room. Suspended from its coffered ceiling is an exquisite chandelier accented with a medallion, while light through the 2 accent windows and being fully open to the hallway enhances the spaciousness of this elegant entertaining area. A gas fireplace surrounded by an elegant mantel brings added coziness to the impressive family room, which has an arched 2-story window along its west wall flooding warm afternoon light into this wonderful gathering space, and the grandeur of a soaring cathedral ceiling. As in the foyer, powder, and laundry rooms, ceramic flooring also finishes the beautiful kitchen and its breakfast area. Newly renovated with a striking light and dark color contrast, this functional meal prep space showcases white cabinetry with extended height uppers and valance lighting highlighting a tiled white backsplash that are set against the dark-colored base cabinet of the island, the quartz countertops, the cabinetry handles, as well as the double undermount sink and its gooseneck faucet. While a built-in dishwasher, oven with induction cooktop, range hood, and French door fridge incorporate the modern sleekness of stainless steel. The kitchen also has a toe kick vacuum and California shutters on its window, with sliding California shutters on the sliding door walkout to the backyard. Opening onto a 2-tiered entertaining deck with a privacy wall on its upper south side and a new awning providing summertime shade, the deck steps down to a fully fenced west-facing yard that offers privacy, which is landscaped with evergreens and flowering shrubs and has a garden shed for seasonal storage. The front yard has also been beautifully landscaped, showcasing stone interlocking driveway curbs, a walkway, and a terrace, while a walkway on the south side of the home, plus an interlocking walkway along the north side, both lead to backyard gates opening into this oasis. Across from the dining room is a sunken landing graced with decor columns, off of which is the double-door entry into the master suite. Exuding an aura of peace and tranquility, the spacious bedroom features quality laminate flooring, California shutters on its window, a sitting area, and a walk-in closet. While its bright 5-piece ensuite washroom showcases ceramic tiled finishes, a white vanity with a quartz counter, undermount basins, and dark-colored finishing accents, a shower area with water glass door, and a jetted tub. Also off the sunken landing is a carpeted staircase with both an oak handrail and railing to a carpeted lower landing, which opens to a fully finished lower level showcasing quality flooring and pot lighting throughout, and with more than ample space for entertaining, family enjoyment, and storage. This level has a bonus room that is great as a home office, fitness studio, or hobby room. The huge L-shaped recreation area has above-grade windows, one which is oversized. The bedroom has the coziness of broadloom, an oversized above-grade window, and a closet area. The furnace room, plus another room under the staircase area, provide great storage. And completing this level is a beautiful three-piece washroom with upgraded tiled finishes, a glass shower, and a vanity with an undermount basin. Additional updates throughout the home include the interior doors and their hardware, the door and window trims, as well as the baseboards. And other features of this home include an HD TV antenna mounted in the attic, a Google Nest thermostat, a central vacuum system, a garage door opener with 2 remotes, hardware for an alarm system, and an irrigation system. To the upper level is a gorgeous oak hardwood staircase. Its railing continued along the hallway where open to below. This level showcasing quality laminate flooring and upgraded light fixtures throughout, 2 bedrooms, and a 4-piece washroom. Both bedrooms feature good-sized north-facing windows, exquisite chandeliers for added brightness, space for sitting areas, and ample closet storage. The second bedroom additionally featuring California shutters on its window and having a large double closet with a single door. A linen closet is conveniently placed outside the washroom, which showcases ceramic tiled finishes, a bath area with a rainfall shower head, and a vanity updated with a quartz counter. While the hallway is open to the main level foyer below, both which are brightened by natural light through an arched second-story window with California shutters and an elegant light fixture suspended from a curved, raised ceiling. A short walk to Colonel J.E. Farewell Public School and public transit, as well as to Guthrie Park, which has 60 acres of green space with a children's playground, 2 soccer fields, plus biking and walking trails. This home is also close to Donald A. Wilson Secondary and All Saints Catholic Secondary Schools, the Queen's Common Shopping Centre, and Whitby's vibrant downtown, while the entertainment centrum, the GO station, and access to highways 401 and the 407 are all just short drives away. For a private viewing of this fine home, or for further information about Whitby and its wonderful neighborhoods, contact Sonia Sampson at 905-427-6522 or email realestate@soniasampson.com.